Oh, it seems like Hubble's facing another challenge. Last week, Hubble went into safe mode due to gyro problems. With only 2 fully operational gyros left, engineers are racing to find a solution. Gyros are crucial for Hubble's precise pointing and tracking abilities, essential for capturing those breathtaking images of the cosmos. But this isn't the first time Hubble has faced gyro issues. Over its 34-year history, it's had its fair share of challenges. Yet, despite these setbacks, Hubble continues to amaze us with its groundbreaking science. Let's keep rooting for Hubble and its mission to explore the cosmos.